How to disable picture-in-picture on YouTube. Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to do so. So if your video keeps playing in small floating window while switching applications or tabs, and you do not want that, you can follow out these simple steps. So you can open up the YouTube application for that on your phone and directly tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. After that, you will be finding this section. And within here, we can go ahead and look out for the three dot or the settings option directly in the top right and tap on it. Within here, we can go to the general section, tap on general in order to open it up. And within general, we'll be finding different options. We can directly look out for the option called picture in picture. So if you find the picture in picture option here, we can just go and turn it off from here. Or if you do not have that option yet, what we can do is we can directly do it from our phone settings as well. So we can open up the settings app on our phone. And once we do so, we can look out for the apps or application section and tap on it. And there, look out for the option called YouTube. So go to the search at the top and find YouTube. Tap on it. Within YouTube, we can look out for this option called picture in picture. Tap on it. And there we can just go over and toggle this option off by tapping on this toggle option. And now YouTube cannot use picture in picture at all. This is the method you can follow. And that's it. That's how we disable it. So if this tutorial helped you, just go and like, share, and subscribe this video, and we hope to see you in another one.